Next up, we have Tracky. I'll back that slide up for you guys. David and Jennifer Goss, Tracky's actually sponsored this event, so we appreciate them. They have just gone through you guys come on up. We are thankful for them, and they've been huge supporters of Vegas Tech. They are at all the events and always helping out. Their product is Tracky. So.
Hello? Okay.
Hi.
Well, thank you all for coming. Appreciate the opportunity to once again be in front of the Vegas Tech crowd. We really appreciate all the support. Because it is a short time frame, only 7 minutes, I'm going to try to jump into things really quickly and not spend a lot of time on bios, backgrounds, things like that. But I do appreciate Jennifer being here. Our CFO, Jason, is here. And tonight I'll be showing you the UI, which Mark Johnson helped us to create. So we're very excited about that. I'll explain a few high-level concepts today. Tracky is a social collaboration tool. And what we're really trying to capture is the massive online social collaboration space. Certain things have happened with social power. Ordinary people using Facebook and Twitter have overturned governments. And you're starting to see where people come together using these social tools that we all know of, and they're doing incredible things. But what we have not seen in the space yet ourselves are some of these types of tools that are migrating into enterprise. And Tracky is not a pure enterprise play. It's a consumer play, so the product is for the individual. But what we're trying to do is build a product that can be used for your personal tasks, your professional tasks, and your social circle, and follow this wave of the trend to collaborate together and to do massive things online. Let's go to the next slide. One of the things that we're very excited about is kind of like the pre-Google days, social collaboration for enterprise is one of the fastest growing markets that there is. And in the next 4 years, it's going to see compound growth of over 61% annually to a $6.4 billion market by 2016. So we're very excited about that. So let's jump into the demo. You're going to see my account to start. This is my dashboard. You can go ahead and just close that first task. And we've modeled it to be similar to Twitter or other social systems out there. Underneath my profile picture, you're seeing the different people that I'm connected to. You're seeing the different groups that I'm involved with. And Jen, if you just want to go click on the Tracky logo up in the top left, this is my default view, and you see all the combined tasks that I'm working on individually. So let's go ahead and enter a task to show you how you do that. We'll go ahead and click over to LaunchUp, a different group that I'm a part of. And we'll enter a task, and we'll just say, upload the video from the recording tonight. And then anyone who's in this group is now going to be alerted to this. We can go ahead and once that track is created, we can bring people and drag them into that task, and you'll see that they're now responsible for that. So it's a way to take anyone in the world, bring them into your collaboration tool, bring them into specific groups, and then assign them very specific tasks. And one of the cool things we're going to do is show how you can actually turn this into a publishing system, kind of like Twitter. If you want to go ahead and click the shared area, Jen, and we'll make this a public task. So everything by default that you enter is private to you, private to people in your group, but if you want, you can make it public, but there's a double verification system, so it will not get pushed out. And to kind of shape that, think of Twitter. Every time you post a tweet, in your public profile, those list of tweets are things that you have now made public, and anyone can view them when they come to your public profile. We believe that every day, people are doing things that matter. And a lot of times, you're not rewarded for the things you do every day. And you're using all of these different systems in order to achieve the things that you do, whether it's, where am I going for lunch? Am I going to check in there on Foursquare? What events am I attending, like LaunchUp? What projects am I working on, and who am I working on with in those projects?